In today's video, I am going to teach you how to download your Pepperstone account statement. To begin, make sure you are already logged in to your Pepperstone Creator trading account. Once you are inside the platform, go to the bottom section of the screen and click on the History tab. This is where you can view your completed trades, account activity, and other past transactions. After opening the History section, look for the period filter. Set this to the specific date range that you want to include in your account statement. This is an important step because the exported file will reflect the time period you choose here. Take a moment to confirm that the selected dates match the report you need. Next, review the trading history shown on the screen. Check that the correct transactions are displayed before you export anything. This helps ensure that your statement includes the exact account activity you want to save and review later. Once everything looks correct, move to the upper right corner of the History section and click the Statement button. This will open the export options for your account statement. You will then be able to choose the file format you want. Select either Export to XLSX or Export to HTML. If you want a spreadsheet file that is easy to sort and analyze, XLSX is a good option. If you prefer a web page style file that opens in a browser, choose HTML instead. Pick the format that works best for your needs. After selecting the export format, you may be asked to choose where to save the file on your device. If that prompt appears, select your preferred folder or location so you can find the statement easily afterward. Then confirm the save action and wait for the export process to complete. When the file has finished downloading, open the statement you just saved. Review it carefully to make sure it includes the correct account information, the right reporting period, and the full transaction history you expected to see. This final check is useful for confirming that the export was completed successfully and that the statement is accurate. Once you have finished reviewing the file, you can close the statement. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.